Yeah.
easy to kind of make, rather than, if you, definitely I prefer tea, frankly speaking. I'm a like hard the certification.
Which one?
You heard that Verify, the certificate lifecycle management.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I did that because we recently implemented the Verify solution in our organization. So I am the kind of sole owner, you can say that, from that perspective. So I'm managing this cert solution for them, for their entire organization. So like, since we basically implemented that solution, so as part of our uh, you know kind of purchase, right, they initially give that training. So it was a training, and right after that, like, it's an open book exam which they
Now Verify is like, isn't it the part of CyberArk or something?
exactly, that's a recent, yeah, right, exactly. So this is a recent acquisition which they did. So now Venify acquired by the CyberArk. So when we actually started doing the POC and everything for them, then it
Mhm.
was Venify only. But during this time only, somewhere around, like, now we are in June, right?
Mhm.
Approximately Jan Feb timeframe, yeah, that acquisition went through.
Okay.
So that's when I did my, after, as part of this training, right, they arranged. So I did,
Mhm.
and right after this, they had a open book exam, so which I did. So that's when I cleared it. It was Venify. What is that? I forgot that name. Venify system engineer, something like that. Actually, that is there. Apart from that, like, you hardly get Venify training
Correct.
in.
I do understand that one. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so it's
Very
high. I mean, like,
integration.
it's very, very. I mean, like, it's not really available. You know, uh,
Correct.
from a training perspective, it's only that these guys actually provide that. So basically, the context here is that, like, when I was doing that, so it used to happen in the same way. It was a 5-day training for us, but
Okay.
because of this, this was from the organization actually initiated. So we used to do it like within this, basically, weekdays, and it used to be break, and then we used to have a coffee break. So otherwise, tea will make so much, it will take so much time. Then that's when the problem is. So then I thought that, okay, coffee is a good idea.
Why
Uh,
didn't you choose
mm.
for the full day session?
Which one? For this one?
Yes.
For the CCSP?
Yes.
No, basically, so why? Because the point here is that I'm alone here. So it's
Uh-huh.
only the weekend you get. And
Mhm.
I mean, like, I
No,
don't want to,
only in the weekend.
yeah, only on the weekend, the entire day, right? Because
Yes.
see, it's a winter season here. So when it is a winter, right? I mean, like, you hardly get, the evenings are very, very cold.
Mm-hmm.
Very cold. So it's very difficult actually to get outside. So the better idea is, like, by 1 or 2, I'll finish this up, and then maybe, after that I can go for, regular grocery stuff. Otherwise, it
Mm-hmm.
becomes really tough when you get out in the evening.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, summer is, it's a very pretty here, but,
Mm-hmm.
like, again, this was a, I don't know, surprise to me that even Australia has that much, because when I possible for me. I mean, like, that much cold. I'm bearing. I mean, I hardly bear the daily cold itself. Like, for 2 months, December, Jan, it becomes a difficult for me.
Correct.
I cannot bear that. I am very good. Like, be it hot country, 55-degree, I'm okay, but not like 10, 5 or 8 types. It's very,
Correct.
very
Correct.
difficult for
Correct.
me. So, I mean, like, again, I was very surprised that when I, like, experienced that much cold is here, and okay, I don't know. It
How
becomes tough
people
for
are
me.
surviving.
I mean, like, again, so when you have, Hmm,
Delhi is also good. Like, it get some cold in the winters.
definitely, that's why I'm telling you, it's hard
Yes.
for me to, I mean, like, bear those 2 months, like, December and Jan, right? Forget about that, Canada, where it is like, almost 9 months. There were huge cold. One of my colleague, actually, who was, when I was in Accenture, there was one colleague who used to work from Canada. So I mean, like, he
Mhm.
told me that he was there for 5 years, and for out of 5 years, he told me that, like, almost 5 year only, that, like, he was working from home. snow is outside, like left, right, center, snow is there. You can't go outside, and then working. I said, how you manage that? You get bored also, right? Like
Correct.
simply working and then seeing that outside there is so much cold. I said, I'm like,
Okay,
this is
no
yeah,
worries.
yeah,
Do one thing. We will be also going to talk a lot because we will be
yeah,
going to there for a month. So
yeah.
lot many things will be there. So
Mm.
there is one link that I have already pasted it to you, right, in the
Okay.
chat box.
Uh-huh.
zzi.sh/CEJ94708.
Correct.
So how basically you are going to use it? So simply zzi.sh/6708, right? This is the
Okay.
link, and then just cut it down and then just work onto this one and this way.
Incognito, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
So you just type your name.
So
You just type your name. Do not get afraid. These all are my students. Nobody will harm you.
okay, okay, okay. So shall I open it on my window or is it like on
Yes,
your?
in your own window.
Okay, okay. Let me
In
just
your own
open
window,
my.
just type your name. Like suppose your name Dipanshu, or if you have your name is already there. So, or
Okay.
if it is not there, then click on to create button.
Let me just check. Gaurav. Um, these are all CCSP students or
These
mix?
are like, that I am from a very strong background from the
Yeah.
security. So they are different zoners people.
Okay. I
I
don't
travel a
think
lot.
so.
I told you, like
Mm,
every week, like the last to last week, I was in London, right? And
okay.
then last week, I was in Dubai. Then this week,
Mm,
I came back to India because, and I will be going to have a online batch, right? And then next
okay.
week, I think so. Next to next week, I am going to Bangkok for my
Okay.
upcoming sessions. I know
Mm,
people also, come to Bangkok because it's a business city, you know that. So it is
mm.
also there.
Okay.
So
I guess my name is not there, so let me just
you can
create.
just click on to create.
Okay. Then
Once
let's
you
see.
click on to the create one, then
Mm-hmm.
this screen will come into your like CCSP,
Yeah,
which is
CCSP.
cloud
Yeah.
security professional, right?
Right. Then just
Just
launch.
yeah, click onto the launch button
Launch.
and then
Okay.
click on to start.
Okay. It's like preparing your quiz.
Mhm.
Okay. Have fun playing the quiz. Start. And then, okay.
And once you start, there are 60
Yeah.
questions. There are 60
Okay.
questions.
Okay.
I want you to feel home.
Okay. Okay.
So do not do not use, no worries. The timer is not going to, skip your question. Timer is
Oh,
just
okay.
to make you afraid, right?
Oh, okay.
Sometime I
Okay.
use it to make people afraid that okay, the clock is ticking. You have only 60 seconds. Have you seen that
Okay.
movie? Everyone is on a race, and then we are going. So yeah. So
True.
basically, you will be going to have your question after that as well. There is no problem
Yeah.
on that one, right? I want you
Okay.
to give this exam without
Okay.
any ChatGPT, without any of the, you can say, queries, because I wanted to understand your mindset. Then only I
For
will be
sure.
able to help you on
Perfect.
the CSP, right? So that
Cool.
I can help you in this. So give it your first chance. Like suppose if you're able to give a wrong answer, I have
Mm,
given you the hints as well. So it is not
okay.
only just do not